Purja Varta 2024, the Minister of Petroleum Natural Gas, Hardeep Puri ji, inaugurated this exhibition. So we are with the company Sun. So Sun is Suraj. So I will आप अपना introduction देंगे तो सर what's your full company's name and everything बताएंगे.
Hello friends, I am Partharoy. I am heading the Projects and Technology Department of Sun Petrochemicals Private Limited. In short, we call it Sun Petro. It is basically an ENP company, exploration production company. That
Where
means
is it based out of?
it is based out of Mumbai,
Mumbai.
but we are having our assets in Gujarat. There are 10 assets altogether. Out of these 10, 4 are producing assets and 6 are like developing and under development assets. So basically, we have been producing oil and gas since 2014, and right now we are producing around 8,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day from our different fields. And our flagship field is Bhaskar field, located in Anand district of Gujarat, yeah, near Gulf of Cambay. Yeah.
And
Please.
अभी जो आप लोग का ये जो डिस्प्ले में आप लोग एक वो
Yeah.
दिखा रहे हैं प्रेजेंटेशन इसमें क्या
Yes.
दिखा रहे हैं?
So, sir, actually, Sun Petro is an innovation-driven company, and since inception, we have implemented around 60 plus innovations for our different verticals of oil and gas. Right? If once I tell it is different verticals, that means we have implemented innovation for production, for projects, for drilling, for civil, for GNG, geology and geophysics, for everything.
How old is the
Yeah.
company and who's the founder of the
Yeah.
company?
So our company was incorporated in 1995, and the promoter of the company is same as the promoter of Sun Pharmaceuticals Industries Limited.
Same Sun.
Yeah.
वो Sun Pharma लग रहा था
Yeah,
पहले,
yeah,
because
yes, sir.
Sun, I could see that SUN.
But these are two different entities.
Yes.
Altogether, we are a different legal entity, Sun Petro. But our oil and gas business started from 2014 April.
2014.
Yeah, under the leadership of oil and gas industry veteran Mr. Padam Singh. He is having vast experience in all verticals of oil and gas.
And how does it feel to be part of Purja Varta? आप लोग इधर हैं तो कैसे लग रहा है आपको?
Yeah, we are feeling really very great, and we are here with a message to implement innovation, to think out of the box, to reduce carbon footprint, to consume less energy for oil and gas production, to ensure sustainability without hampering, oil and gas production.
Yes.
So this is the message from our company, and we are displaying our different innovations that we have implemented for our oil and gas production and exploration operations, and these innovations have been playing a vital role in saving capex, opex, as well as other operational hurdles. And it has improved efficiency of our operation like anything. Like we could, finish our job in less time. So that is the outcome of all these innovations. Obviously, savings in capex and opex are also there, but at the same time, we want to implement innovations for our upcoming as well as ongoing development activities. So this is the message from our company.
मैं अभी आपका एक वो वीडियो देख रहा था तो उसमें मुझे दिखाया रवि किरण
Yeah.
एक आपका वो है
Yeah,
प्लेटफॉर्म
that is our
दैट इज
barge.
अगेन इन गुजरात बारिश जो है
Yeah, that is
Gujarat
that is our upcoming project. So we have conceived this project, and it is now under advanced stage of fabrication. And this barge is circular barge, cylindrical shape. It is having, and this barge will be used for maneuvering, man and materials in our Gulf of Cambay area, which is having second highest current in the world, and it is one of the toughest area, offshore area.
Wonderful.
of
So
of
as you
India.
see that in the exhibition area at Bharat Mandapam, there are all companies which are into the energy sector, and they are the companies of the future. You have to watch out for them. Everybody is in a set. It's what do you say? The India as a nation has built up on manpower, and now here we are seeing resources, energies, our natural minerals, everything. So is in the right hands. So for taking our country into the future, 2047, the Prime Minister of India has a vision to take it as to a developed nation.
Correct.
I feel that all these companies are somewhere contributing to the GDP, to the foreign exchange earnings. So please support the companies. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You can just stop.